Welcome to our channel. Netgear Nighthawk XR1000 Wi-Fi 6 Pro Gaming Router. Step 1. Unbox and plug in. Take the router out, connect the power adapter, and plug it into the wall. Step 2. Connect to modem. Use the Ethernet cable to link your modem to the router's internet port. Step 3. Power on. Wait until the power LED on the router is solid. Step 4. Download app. On your phone, grab the Nighthawk app from the App Store or Google Play. Step 5. Create or log in. Open the app, sign into your Netgear account, or make one if you don't have it. Step 6. Start setup. Choose to add a new router and let the app find your XR1000. Step 7. Scan QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on the router to connect. Step 8. Customize Wi-Fi name. Pick a name for your gaming network that you'll remember. Step 9. Set password. Create a strong password so only you and your trusted devices connect. Step 10. Apply settings. Let the app save everything. This will take a minute while the router reboots. Step 11. Connect devices. Reconnect your phone, PC, or console to the new Wi-Fi network you just set. Step 12. Test speed and gaming features. Run a quick speed test in the app and check out the DoomOS dashboard for gaming controls. And that's it, your Nighthawk XR1000 Wi-Fi 6 Pro gaming router is ready to give you a smoother, faster, and more stable gaming experience. Thank you for watching.